So you're looking at installing a frameless glass shower enclosure, and you've noticed in the examples that there's a 6mm brace panel that sits at the top of the shower fixed between the side light and the return panel. Well, today I'm going to explain the benefits of using a brace, when and why they're installed, and also cover off if you actually need one. Stay tuned. Now, these braces that you've seen, they normally consist of 6 or 10mm clear toughened safety glass. They're approximately 100mm wide and run the full width of the shower. They're siliconed on top of the side lights and siliconed to the wall and the return panel if required. And what this does is it provides support to all of the glass panels and ties it all together, making it incredibly rigid. It stops any flex or movement in the top of those panels, and it's used to support larger panels that have more movement in them. The shower can be installed without it, and if it moves, we can simply add one at a later date. Although it is recommended on larger showers, it provides much less movement and makes sure that it's all nice and secure. Another common method is to use a glass shelf that doubles up as a glass brace. You can install this into the corner of the shower where it gets glued along the tiled wall and against the return panel and is disguised as a glass shelf rather than a brace. Now, these aren't as effective as the full gusset panel that runs a full width, and it really depends on the depth of that return panel as to how effective they are, but this is also another great option. Well, thanks for watching. I hope that helped. For more information, feel free to download our free guide or get in touch. Have a great day.